Did you know many dogs suffer from joint pain as they age? It's more common than you might think, affecting dogs of all breeds. Joint pain can make your dog slow down, struggle to climb stairs, or even hesitate before jumping. It's not just older dogs. Some younger dogs can experience it too, especially active breeds or dogs with past injuries. Early signs and symptoms of joint pain in your dog. Watch out for limping, stiffness after resting, or reluctance to play. These are key signs your dog might be in discomfort. The good news is that there are clear signs your dog's joints are improving. More energy, smoother movements, and excitement for walks or playtime all show healing. Consistent care, proper diet, and regular vet checkups make a big difference. Take care of your dog's joints. They'll thank you with wagging tails and happy paws.